in conclusion, this letter to the church of Laodicea is a reminder of our desperate need for Christ. And apart from intimacy with Him, we are nothing and have nothing. All our achievements, belongings, successes, possessions, and positions in life is nothing compared to what He has planned and what He has in store for us beyond this life. Many people who have died in Christ, if you ask any one of them, there's a telephone line to heaven, do you want to come back? The answer would be an emphatic no. Why would I come back to this? But while we are here, let us stay spiritually connected to the source of life. Let us get closer to the source so that we don't become lukewarm. Our goal is to have intimacy with Christ while we live in the light of His coming. He can come to us through death, or we can come to us where we meet Him in the air, according to 1 Thessalonians chapter 4.